Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is Mosjoen.
Never lost roamer with Phil Ernest.
In my last video, I was on the western coast of Norway, visiting the beautiful city of Trondheim, learning about its amazing history. In this video, I continue my Norway series, driving from Trondheim to Mosjoen. The drive takes a little less than 5.5 hours, covering 388 kilometers. If you plan on taking this drive, you can expect to see a lot of open highway. Look at this, hardly any traffic right here. And this was typical for the whole drive, as you see the beautiful river along this way. And also, if you plan on traveling this way by train, there's the train tracks right there. So you'll be enjoying the same beautiful scenery that I got to experience while driving it. Now, if you do plan on taking this drive, you'll be happy to know the roads are in very good condition and with very little traffic, as I said. And the weather does change from time to time with a little rain here and there. I did this drive in early September. Down the drive, you'll see these little markets here, right here, and then just green hills and trees, and very peaceful, this part of the country. Very, very peaceful. Another thing you can expect to see if you plan on taking this drive are these old iconic churches that pop up from time to time with their cemeteries right there on the property. Unfortunately, the churches weren't open, so I couldn't go in and show any of them to you. But it really makes you feel as though you've stepped back into a time capsule, looking at the architecture of the church and the way the church is laid out. Remember earlier when I talked about the train tracks that running alongside the road? Here's an example of what it looks like with the train to your right, the open road in the middle, and the river to your left. And speaking of the river, here's a shot of that river as I pan from left to right, showing you a better view of it. I did run into a little bit of rain during the course of the drive, but it wasn't long until it cleared up and everything was good for the rest of the drive. And speaking of clearing up, look how clear you can see the reflection from the water to the landscape here, from the houses to the mountains, really adding that extra pretty touch to this drive. Now I'm going to pan the camera from right to left and show you just how stunningly beautiful this Norway drive can be. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. And here is another pan shot as I pulled over to the side of the road, but this one is of the green grass and the mountain, showing you just how pretty that this looks. Again, this is taken in early September. There was also something else that kept catching my eye, and that was the moss that was growing on top of the roofs. And this one is a bus stop here, but people did have this on their house, so it does add for a little bit of extra green to your drive. In addition to seeing the beautiful landscape and the river, you also get to see some livestock. Here are some cows resting and relaxing, enjoying the nice sun while they can before yet another rainstorm approaches. And now I'd like to show you the beautiful small town of Mosjoen. One of the first images you will see of Mosjoen is the reflection of the houses off of the lake and the mountains as well. But this city of Mosjoen is much, much more than just that. So this is this little town here that I drove to. There's the information area right here. And they have a little, look at these little houses here. Kind of neat. It's just a very small city. Here, a little cafe, restaurant. Not really a lot of stuff here to see. So that was my initial reaction as I was walking through this town. But what I've later come to learn is this town has a lot of amazing history to it. For starters, Mosjoen is actually the oldest town in the traditional region of Hægeland, so the city is worth visiting if you're interested in historic places. The little charm of this little city are these houses that all look alike. Some of the houses of Mosjoen have been converted into guest houses, so you can rent them. The population of Mosjoen is just under 10,000 people. The major industry in this town is aluminum, with one of the biggest aluminum factories in Europe. They even have a little tattoo and piercing shop here. Look at that. It looks like they're, see this rooster here? Looks like that's the animal for this part of the region. And then they have more construction going on here, so you can't drive on through this at this time. So things are looking up for this city as they continue to improve it. So no matter how small this little town is, they still have their graffiti. This wall here is marked all up, and then they got this over here near the trash cans, and then another one for good measure right over here. So that right there goes to show you that even the smallest of these towns can have their big city problems. And here's a little restaurant here, and the town's pretty much closed up. It's a Saturday here. Another interesting fact about this city is, during World War II, 1940, Mosjoen was captured by the Nazis. The Nazis used Mosjoen to transport people and goods for warfare to the far north. Here's another big mural on this wall right here. And then, as you can see, the construction continues on over this way. So a lot of improvements happening to this small little town as I try to spruce it on up and get it ready for more tourism. As I walk through these small towns, one of the things I've really come to appreciate are these little random sculptures that you'll see along the way. And here's another Norwegian graffiti artist right here. After the 1970s, this town took on a major renovation project. Today, the project is considered a success, and the main reason many people come to Mosjoen. It is northern Norway's longest continuous settlement of wooden houses and piers from the 19th century. Most of the buildings are heritage listed, and an emphasis has been put on preserving the old building techniques, details, and colors. So that will more than do it for this amazing city of Mosjoen. On my next video, I continue my drive north to Bodø and stop along the way to check out the very cool Arctic Circle Center. If you would like to see my other videos on Norway, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.
Never lost roamer with Phil Ernest.